Welcome to Wicked Big Meat 2022 Part 2. If you watched Part 1, hopefully it came out because I'm having computer problems again. Welcome back. Up next is another 845Subie member. This is Gerald DeFino and his 2018 Impreza WRX base, which is good because he took a lot off to make this a SCCA competition car. And this is what's different about his build here. This build is made for competition, so it's what is underneath that counts. Like a transformer, it's more than meets the eye. This thing is ready for performance rally driveline wise. This thing is going to be bulletproof like that with the 6MT. Some things for the interior are an East detail and carbon fiber black perforated steering wheel cover, an iDoing Android head unit, Subie Speed tall gated shift knob, OLN signature series e-brake, and a GCS e-brake button for when you gotta grip it and rip it. Brougham seats and this awesome carpet covering round out the interior. Rally wheels and method race wheels require less than the STI Brembos and even the WRX Brembos to clear their rally wheels. Subtle Solutions 1-inch spacers will help with the clearance. SSD front light bar mount, DIY mud flaps, the TBW Performance Engine skid plate, which is a must, and a 2015 STI spoiler for that downforce baby. This car is being prepped and set up and on its way to SCC Rallycross, and we'll be following that for sure. A Grimmspeed boost controller, a MAP Performance J-pipe, Process West top mount verticooler and the charge pipe. Off the back is an NVIDIA Gemini R400 catback, the Boomba bypass valve, good on you there, and tuned by Ambot. Check JP out, 845Subie. This is definitely an under the hood build. This is what's underneath that counts. What I really like about this build is it's going to be used in SCCA competition, so it's got STI swap parts on it. 2016 STI driveline, transmission, drive shaft, rear differential, front and rear axles, STI center console, iWire, Spider DCCD Pro controller. That's very important. ACT clutch, torque solution short throw shifter with the bushings, and the Subaru Group N trans mount and pitch stops. I'm geeking out in the Subaru trailer. I come out and you're face to face. Travis Pastrana, Bucky Last, they're all right there. I go around the corner and there's a rally simulator. Not only that, but we're playing Dirt Rally 2.0, or Dirt Rally it looked like. So if you know how the scoring system goes here, this is at the end of the day. It's 4:11. They're actually closing this trailer down. There's like 3 or 4 more people to go. If you know this game, look at the bottom here. The bottom left-hand bar here is your progress, and if you're fastest for that section. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 sections. I'm fastest for the bottom, not fastest for the second, fastest for the third, and right here on the last section, I'm working on a 7-second lead at 2 minutes and 57 seconds for the stage so far. If this was calculating all day, I'm the fastest person on the rally simulator. Subaru, I'm right here. If you need any testing done, let me know. Wicked Big Meat 2022 this year. It was special. It was my first time. We did not win anything in the car show. I didn't expect to. We were there to have fun, meet people, and show them something maybe they didn't see every day. And that's what was so special about this event. Some really cool builds, something for everyone. The whole entire event had something for everyone. Now for the long drive home, hopefully we don't break down. With my alternator still out completely, I had another charged battery, and we just about made it home, and I had to swap the other battery out. Thanks for watching, everyone. We will see you on the next video. Take care.